Hey guys, it's Ashley. Today we're going to be going over lesson 37 for the 4th grade YLOC worksheet. Page 1 gives you links for definitions and examples, so it's really important for you to read through this. I think the number one thing that you want to take away is that these measurements are listed from least to greatest. So inches is the smallest, then it's feet, and then yards, and then miles. So just make sure to read through this before you start the worksheet. Let's move to page number 2. We have length, choose the appropriate unit. So it says choose the most reasonable unit of measure, write inches, feet, yard, or miles. So for number 1, the width of a book is about 8 what? So if you remember, a foot is a ruler. So 8 rulers would be too big for a book, so we're going to write inches. Number 2, the length of a car is about 14 what? Yards is 3 rulers long. So 1 yard is 3 rulers, 1 foot is 1 ruler. A car should be around 14 feet. Number 3, yesterday Jordan ran 3 what? So people can run different distances, of course, but whenever you're talking about someone running a certain distance, you usually calculate it by miles. So we're going to write miles. Number 4, the length of a license plate is about 1. Again, 1 inch is about the length of your thumb. That seems a little short for a license plate. So we're going to write 1 foot, about the length of a ruler. Okay, let's move to page number 3. Name the greater measurement. So again, I'm going to write it up here just to, reinforce the different lengths. We're going to have inches, feet, yards, and miles. And this is in order from least to greatest. So what is the greater measurement? 2 yards or 2 miles? We're going to put 2 miles. Number 2, 16 feet or 16 inches. 16 feet is bigger. Number 3, 32 inches or 32 yards. We know that 32 yards is bigger. 24 inches or 24 miles. 24 miles is bigger. Number 5, 3 feet or 3 yards. Yards is bigger. So this is pretty self-explanatory. Just follow this key up here and you will be good to go. Let's move to the bottom of the page. It says name the lesser measurement. So let's try to do it without using the key above. What is smaller, feet or yards? Feet is smaller. So we're going to write, 400 feet. Number 11, 10 inches or 10 feet. It's 10 inches is smaller. Again, just think that inches is thumbs and feet is rulers. So of course your thumb is smaller than a ruler. And number 13, choose the most reasonable unit of measure, write inches, feet, yard, or miles. So the distance from New York to Los Angeles. So if you guys don't know, New York is all the way across from where we live. So it's on the other side of the United States. And of course, we're going to measure that with the biggest measurement, which is miles. Number 15, the length of a goldfish is about 3. The most likely measurement here is inches. It would be a little creepy to see a goldfish that's 3 feet or bigger. Number 17, the width of my notebook is about 10 inches because 10 inches is about 10 thumbs long. Okay, let's move to the last page. We're going to use this key that says average car lengths from bumper to bumper. Number 1, compare the lengths of the cars. Write the type of cars in order from shortest to longest. Now, as you can see in the key, it's given you the lengths in all inches. So all you have to do is compare what is the smallest number to the largest number. So smallest number is going to be a coupe. And then it's going to be a station wagon. I'm going to put SW for that. And then it's a SUV. And then a sedan. So I'll just put SD for that. Number 3, the garage in Jim's house is 228 inches long. If Jim buys a sedan, would his car fit in his garage? Explain. So let's look at how many inches a sedan is. It's 215. So 228 compared to 215. The garage is bigger. So will his car fit? Yes. Because, and you could use this to explain. And if that doesn't make sense to you, let's say the garage is about this long. That means the car will fit inside. And it's shorter than the garage, so it'll still fit. Okay? I will show you guys the answer key so you could compare your answers when you're done. Okay, great job, guys.